I'm making this video. This is a 2005 Ford 500 with a 3.0 Duratec, and it kept stalling. You'd start it up, it had a rough idle sometimes it didn't. Then you go to put it in gear and it would just kind of stall out or hesitate. It wouldn't necessarily die, but it was like a really super rough idle. No power at all. Anyway, so over the last couple of days I've been working on it. I did replace the cylinder one coil that went bad, but as you can see, I've basically stripped back all of the protective loom on the wiring harness because there was several wires that were exposed on the coils, and they needed to be repaired regardless, but they also could cause a problem. The main problem for this car though was the throttle body harness, and it was kind of hidden because it's tucked down underneath. But I initially was going to change out the throttle body because that's a common problem with this. But as soon as I unplugged the throttle body, I noticed that these wires have all been kind of twisted together, and they've just basically broken apart. So I'm in the process of repairing this. I went ahead and separated the wires and fired the car up, and the car runs perfect. This is a known problem with these wiring harnesses. There's a few spots that go bad. There's one spot back over here on the back side up against the firewall with the AC line, and then up here with the coils, and then now right here with the pigtail for the throttle body. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody. If you get into replacing your throttle body, which they're kind of expensive, $300, $400, $500, I'd check this first. I'd undo all the tape and everything and look under here, because these wires just have fallen apart. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to contact. Thanks.